Okay, so now we get started by doing our analysis and trade BTC USD. We have around almost $100, so let's get started. Beautiful. We go onto the chart. Okay, do not disturb mode. Okay, so we shall start on our daily time frame and look for entries. So basically, if I look closely, I'll do my analysis use candle signs. We have swept we have swept liquidity there, so it means the anticipation of next candle is bullish. As you can see, we have this on 3rd September. This candle is a respective candle. As you can see, we swept high and we went low, so beautiful. The anticipation of the next candle is bearish, so we go to 4-hour time frame to see if we have our narrative somewhere. So beautiful. We can see we have a sharp turn right here. We have fair value gap in, then we have fair value gap out like that, which is quite beautiful. That means price might try to retrace back onto this fair value gap as per this candle right here, as per the previous candle, which closed within the expansion candle, which created a fair value gap. So we are looking to retrace back onto this area right there as our onto fair value gap before going low, as we can say that we are bearish. But if we are bearish, where is our narrative, or which period will push much price below, and what will be our target if we go below? Our target will be like here, swing low, or we can use this candle here, but I'll be utilizing swing low right there. This is our target. Beautiful, right there. Everything should be aligned in time alignment. As you can see, we had swept this candle's high right there, swept there, and we continue the low. So the anticipation of the next candle is to go low. Within the 4 hour, we can see that we have a sharp turn. As we can see, we have fair value gap in, then we had fair value gap out. Also within that, we need to go bearish. As you can see right now, we are targeting this. This is a temporary target, but the main target is right here, and this is our context. And this, between this line and that line, that's our context area. But here we have our first PDLA to be targeted. If we go lower onto 1 hour time frame, you can see that we are going down, or we are going high to target this imbalance right there, and we need to be able to close right there, else we might continue low. So basically, temporary target, the main target right there. So on our 1 hour time frame, we need confirmation to go low. As you can see, we had a temporary order for a retracement to target the imbalance on 4 hour time frame. But right now we can see we are changing the order flow. We are going bearish as for this current candle being forming. So if that is the case, we need a confirmation. That means we need a favorable gap or an imbalance going lower, and then we might take a entry there. But right now we don't see an favorable gap or an imbalance to go low, So I will go on to lower time frame. That will be 15 minutes. To each on 15 minutes, we can see we had a temporary order flow going higher. This can be noticed by this favorable gap bar here. Okay. By these imbalances right there. Another one right here. So basically, this order flow, the order flow is going high. As you can see, this 15-minute line here created that area which led to creation this imbalance right here on 4 hour time frame. So basically, that means this imbalance right there should hold the price to go higher. As you can see, should hold the price to go higher, should not allow the price to create another imbalance going lower, and that will be like this imbalance right here was not respected, though it wasn't respected at first stop. Like here you can see on this, and you can see this bullish candle right there came off this sweep line here. This is called candle sign sweep. So that's beautiful. The anticipation is to target this highlight here, but price failed to do so, and we can see price is trying to create an imbalance going lower. So this confirms that order flow is going low. So if it creates an imbalance, we are waiting for the next candle. If it creates an imbalance, we might look to trade off that imbalance on our 1 minute. So let's wait for the price. So as you can see, the countdown is 3 minutes remaining right here. So 3 minutes. So this might be a favorable gap right there, or imbalance actually. So yep, and this might be our favorable area or overlapping defense right there. Beautiful. So 2 minutes remaining. So our entry might be something like this. We need next candle to tap onto this favorable gap right there. Okay, beautiful. We can see it's covering more. Okay, beautiful. Two minutes. So as we look closely, our defense, our overlapping defense has been covered up. So this will be like our first defense right there, but this is not suitable. As we can see, there is much pressure on the current candle, which is much going bullish and leaving an imbalance right here, to which this imbalance. Okay, beautiful. We can see that the bears are stepped in, and we can see some consolidation right there almost. Oh, okay, let's wait for this candle to close there. But I don't think I will trade off this favor gap right there due to having lack of overlapping defense. This is like my first sign of defense, which is not good actually. So I prefer this order block right here to overlap with favor gap, but not right here, which this isn't a good sign at all. But let's wait for this candle to close, and let's wait and see. Beautiful. So it's closed and we have our imbalance right there. And this is our first line of defense, means that price might come right here and continue lower. So that would be beautiful. As I said, this will be risky trading of this fair value gap right here, since our first defense isn't overlapping with the fair value gap right there, so it's quite risky. Oh, it's worst trading over there, and let's see. Honestly, I won't press any trade over there. I'll just wait for another fair value gap to be created lower, and I might take an entry from there, just for confirmation. As you can see, price driving very aggressive onto the fair value gap or that imbalance, and if we see a rejection, it's okay, but I want more confirmation, hence I'll wait for another fair value gap to be created lower. So yep. So remove this first line of defense or order book. If I go into 1 minute, this is my entry minute. You can see that it was price rejected. We have an imbalance in. So yeah, let's wait to see for more confirmation to see another fair value gap created lower onto 15 minutes. So we wait for that. So as we have seen that we had this fair value gap right here, to which it has held, not at first, but it has held using the candle sweep high, as you can see right here. So this, so basically, as you can see, I wanted for confirmation to go low to target this low, this swing point like here, the white line like here. So the confirmation has been received, as we can see that we have fall through. That fair value gap created another fair value gap. That means this fair value gap right here fall through, hence created that. So I'm looking, oh beautiful, the price is going low. So I'm looking for price to come and tap like here. Price to come and tap this FEG right here, to which this looks good, as it overlaps with this swing low right there. As we can see, that's what I want to see, which is quite beautiful. So if price won't lead that, I might go on to 5 minutes and find another context area. As you can see right now, on 5 minutes, we don't have a context area which has been created. So I'll be waiting for context for this fair value gap right here to be tapped. So this is 5 minutes, and as you can see, on 15 minutes we have created this fair value gap right there, to which aligns with our overlapping defense. But as we can see that this might be an overlap, this might be a breakaway gap or a back, hence I might go into lower time frame. So as we can see, we also have a fall through fair value gap right here, to which we might trade into. If we trade into this fair value gap right here, I might take my entry there. So let's wait and see if price will retrace back up to this fair value gap right there. Else, we can check on our 15-minute and see that we are moving away from this fair value gap right there, which is quite okay. So I'll wait. Okay, I guess also price won't fall through or come back, as this candle is a respective candle. So hence I'll open my position right away and target low, and yep, sell. I just sold it there. So you can see my entry right there, 711.30. If we go to a chart, 711.30 there. That's my entry, and that will be on 1 minute. I'll be targeting this right here, swing low, and my stop loss will be near to the next FEG. So if we go to 5 minutes, you can see we are leaving another fair value gap right there. Sweet. So basically that's my entry, and I'll be targeting this low right here. I just want to verify something, though I'm still on my entry. So I thought, okay, this is this respective candle, means that price, there is no need of price to be traced onto this order block, this imbalance right there. There's no need of price to be traced back like here. The anticipation was for this candle to create a new imbalance, and we can see there's no new imbalance right there. Hence, price might look for to fit this imbalance right there before continuing lower, or it might end up getting back to this 15 fair value gap right there. So let's wait and see. Yeah, just to a reminder, I've just set my entry letter, but I haven't set my stop loss and also haven't set my TP. Also, bear in mind, this is not the right trade. Take this entry. I just fear of missing out the trend, and I moved on to the lower time frame, like 55 minutes, to find my context area, to which that's not good, although. So yeah, that's why you see me not setting a TP or stop loss. I just missed the patience side of things. I just wanted to chase the market. So yeah, I was surprised my look to tap here before going low. If it taps this favor gap right there, I might look for an entry and target the low. So if it taps like here, I might look to for a short entry, but also on a 15 minute, you can see currently we are creating an imbalance right here, not yet confirmed unless this candle closes. So we can see that we have an imbalance right there, and the current candle is almost within the range of the previous candle. Let's see if this imbalance is being created, then I will look for another entry right there. That means this breakaway gap has followed through to create this imbalance right there, and this will be the most suitable entry rather than this one. This was about on chasing the price at most, so that's what I've missed the patience, and I wanted to chase the price. So this isn't the current entry. The current entry will be along this imbalance right there. So let's wait and see. 10 minutes to go. So basically, if you look on 15 minutes, we have 3 minutes left, and we have almost for the current candle to close. As you can see, we are leaving an imbalance right there, which is a good sign. That means we are following through, so that's beautiful. And also, if you look within the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that we have a 5 minute right there, fair value gap, to which price almost traded in two, but it didn't reach. And still you can see price has fallen through. We anticipate that we need to create another imbalance, or this leg should, or this kind of candle should be an expansion candle, and next candle should leave an imbalance for us to know that this 5-minute fair value gap right there has fallen through. That would be beautiful. So 2 minutes to close this candle and see the next candle. So let's go to 15 minutes. You can see that this candle is a disrespective candle and it's moving very fast, leaving that behind right there. For us to confirm that this has fallen through, we need to see another fair value gap created of this fair value gap right there. So this will be like another breakaway gap, and it will be beautiful. So currently it's very impractical to trade off this fair value gap. As we can see, the current candle is a disrespective candle. A disrespective candle is a candle which has an expansion or doesn't weak anything. So 1 minute for confirmation. That it shows that the price has no need, or bulls have no need to come and seek fair value right there. So let's see, seconds remaining. If we go onto our 5-minute time frame, we can see that this current candle, we need for it to be an expansion candle, and next candle to leave a fair value gap or an imbalance like here, for us to confirm that this fair value gap right there has fallen through. The 5-minute fair value gap right there has fallen through. That would be beautiful, and this might be taken as our entry, and swing high should be our TP, our stop loss actually. So yeah, let's wait. Beautiful. So actually we can see this is an expansion candle. Looks like our disrespective candle. That means there is no need of price to come and trade back onto this fair value gap right there. This fair value gap right here. So we anticipate that for this to follow through is to create another fair value gap going lower. As we can see, this candle is trying to close this lower line here, to which it hasn't succeeded yet. As we can see right there, there's space. There is a minor imbalance right there for it to close down, and yep, let's see if it will close down that. If this won't be taken out, then it means that this imbalance right there has fallen through. And yes, we'll be anticipating to reach this target right there. And it will be quite beautiful. 5 minutes. As I said, on 5 minutes, we want to see an imbalance right here for us to confirm that this fair value gap right there has fallen through, and hence this will give us more confirmation for our entry, since then I will set my stop loss on this swing high right here, and also taking profit will be right away right here, the same. As you can see, oh, we have closed that gap which I anticipated on 15 minutes, so there's no need of it actually. Let's wait if it will close down this gap right here. Oh wow, this is not a good sign at all. We need to create another leg, and also as we can see that our order block right here is our first line of defense, which isn't great also. So we might take that, the next candle might take that, and also the following candle might take the next candle's high to continue low, as that scenario had happened on our 15 minute chart right here. You see that our order block line, first line of defense right here, okay, did not overlap with our imbalance. Then we can see the next candle just went direct onto our imbalance, and following candle swept that highs of the next candle of the previous candle to continue lower. So that's what I'm anticipating on our lower time frame, and that is our 5-minute time frame. If we check on our 5-minute time frame, that's what is trying to happen right now. So you can see here is our first line of defense not overlapping with that, which is a good sign. So let's see how it closes. But the next candle might tap here, then the next candle will take its high to continue lower, and let's see how the price would do. Seconds to close. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have left our fair value gap right there, to which technically means this fair value gap right there has fallen through, and we have left that there, but we might trade again onto this, since it looks like our first line of defense right there isn't overlapping with the fair value gap. So yeah, let's wait and see how price plays out. So we have seen beautiful order flow going low, as we can see. These are order flow legs, so that's quite impressive and beautiful. So yep, let's see how it plays out. 15 minutes. If you check onto a 15-minute chart, you can see that there's nothing actually, not even an imbalance, and we're near to our target right there. So this so what I'm waiting right now is for either the first sign of defense to reject the price high lower to go lower, and else the overlapping defense to reject the price lower. Else that's it. And my stop loss is right here. So I guess I'll set that. Let me set it right now. So I'll leave everything as it is. From stop loss to TP, I just take these numbers as stop loss. Okay, copy that. Come right here. Stop loss. Paste that. Confirm. Let's go back. Take a TP. Copy that. Okay. Paste it right here. That's it. Let's go back and see how the price plays out. So I've set my TP and stop loss. Why have I set that to the swing high? My stop loss is above the swing high, a few pips. I don't know these pips. Yeah, few numbers above the highlight there. Since this feather gap has fallen out, has followed through, and creating this one layer, to which if price taps this or takes up the first line of defense, should continue lower to a target. So that's if this doesn't hold, also this overlapping doesn't hold, then price might go for swing high right there. This is the last line of defense right here. So we have 3 line of defense for price to continue lower. This is the first, further gap with the second right there, and swing high right there is the last. That's why I put I just made some distance right there. If it taps right here and continue lower, that would be beautiful. Else I might be taken out, so it's okay. Let's wait and see how price plays out. If you look closely, price has already tapped onto our first line of defense right there. Let's wait and see if that holds. Yes, okay, it didn't hold. We tapped onto our favorable gap, hence we anticipate this favorable gap to fall in through. That means to go lower, to push the price lower. Let's see if it does so. So we are waiting, as you can see, we're waiting for price to be rejected right there, since this first sign of defense failed. And as we are waiting for this reject price, if price crosses the high, we anticipate the next candle to sweep the high of this candle and then continue lower, and that is what we want to see. Just in case we don't want to see another fair value gap created going higher, that won't be good. You just need this candle to cross the fair value gap right here. Just not create another imbalance going higher. That would be good. Why? Because that imbalance will be used to target this high right there. To which that leads for us to be stopped out. That won't be great. Let's wait and see. So as you can see, we failed to create an imbalance going higher. That means we don't target this anymore. As we can see, this is an expansion candle, which we anticipate that the next candle is to leave an imbalance going lower. Oh, it has closed. So, yep, it's okay. The beautiful thing is this imbalance right here has fallen through, and this would have been great to look for entry going lower, and this would have been my entry, my perfect entry. I would say I'll go lower, check the fair value gap in and out, which is here on 1 minute. Here there is a fair value gap in right here, and also we have fair value gap out right here, and my entry would have been after closing this candle will be right here, and swing high would have been my stop loss right there, and take profit 1 to 2 would have to which it would have been hidden right away. This is impressive, something like that. Yep, awesome. Yeah, something like that, which would have been hidden as soon as possible. But yeah, this is trading. We should wait. But that would have been my perfect entry. Just I failed to have patience. I decided to get into right here, so it's okay. The next thing I'm waiting, because this has fallen through, is to see another fair value gap created going lower, to make sure this fair value gap right here has fallen through, means has created another fair value gap. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Also, if we go to our 15-minute, we can see we still have nothing. So yeah, our 5-minute is our prominent entry, and we can see we have leave order block right here, which right now is kind of useless. Hence, if we create another favor gap, that means this has fallen through, hence will be taken into consideration. So let's wait and see how price plays out. Let's go to 5 minute and actually this isn't 1 to 2. To somewhere there. So I need to change my TP. Back. TP. Paste. Yep, that's my TP. And let's go where? To the price and boom. Beautiful, the TP has been hit. And we're done trading, I guess. So yeah, that's it. And that's it for the day. And we can check what we have bagged actually. That was very close. If we go to history, we can see that our closed position and we've made like $8. Share that. So $8 because I'd least almost a half of my account, and that was $50 for $8. So yeah, that's great, and thank you.